Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with my final unboxing of these $4 Michaels grab bags. And this large box is a mystery. It wasn't marked. Most of them were marked with like foam, craft supplies, etc. Let's pull the first item. It looks like a holiday sack. I love these. I've used this in the past to wrap blankets and use them for gift wrapping for plushies. And I love the simplicity of this sack as well. This one retails for $7. So that pretty much is the price or pays for the cost of our grab box. So love that. Next item here, I feel a metal piece. So let me show you what it is. It is a metal tag that you can use for your door or your wall. I really love the vintage look to this. And this one retails for $12. So love that. So far I love the first two items. Our next item here. Oh, I love this. It is a beautiful shadow box. And it has my favorite colors, teal, blue. I love that. And that cute little fawn. This, there's some glitter, retails for $14. So I love this one. Definitely gonna use that as wall decor. Let me pull the next item here. We have a Nutcracker. I know exactly who to give this to. I have a friend who actually collects these, and she has over, I think, 50 of these from around the world. And so I am gonna share this, and I think she's gonna love this. And there's that nut cracking mechanism there in the chest, but usually it's located in the mouth. So I'll put this aside, and that retails for $20. The next item is another Nutcracker, and this one has a graduation theme. Super cute. I like this. I'm going to give this to her as well. This retails for $12. Put that on the side. That is super cute. Next one I am going to pull is another Nutcracker. This time it has the traditional looking face, and it has an athletic look, but I think it's missing the ball. So my friend can probably fix that. And this retails for $20. Let me just put that down here and pull our next item. The next item is this adorable little plushie as well, keychain with the flippable sequins here that the kids love so much. My Emmy is going to love this. I'm going to look for the price. I don't see it. I think these usually retail from $3.99 to $5.99. It's super cute. Love that cute little headband on top. She is going to love this. So it's putting that over there, and we will pull the next item here. Another Nutcracker, and this one is so cute. It's missing one of its wooden hands. I'm sure my friend can glue on like a wooden bead to replace it. There it is. This one retails for $12. So this next piece is a larger piece. Let me just pull it out and show you on camera what it is. It is a candy cane themed unicorn looking horn that my daughter Ems again will love. The kids will love this. We can put it in the yard and play ring toss on the holidays. I don't like glitter because it like scatters and it's really hard to clean, but I'll keep that for the kids. And this one retails for $25. Next item is a smaller item here. They are replacement bulbs. That's super cute. I can definitely use this. It's $6. So I like the colors as well. Super cute. I'm going to pull out the next item is another door decor. that you can hang on it, and this one has bells, so it's like a door chime, and this one retails for $14. Super cute. We'll definitely use that, and you can hear your guests coming in and out. So that's that. Another one here is a metal piece, and okay, we have this little decor. It's a tabletop decor for $30. Might donate or keep it actually for my daughter M. She has these small little miniature toys that she likes to play with. So, or I can use it in the garden. The birds love to perch on these, so I might put it there as well. Now let me pull our next item. I feel a rectangle piece, and it looks like a wooden shadow box here. Love this one. I've seen Gina Loves Crafts unbox her Michaels bags, and she had a number of these, and I really love these. So I'm super happy this box has it. You have a little light in the back. Oops, didn't want to shine that too much on you, but love it. Cute little elf boy and girl with Santa. Next one is another tag. I feel a metal tag here. Let me show you what that looks like. Here it is. I love it. I love the metal embossing here with the snowflakes and the sentiment there. That's what the side looks like, and this retails for $18. Super nice. I'm gonna put that there. Hold on. Actually, let's put it here. Now let me grab the next item and show you a bigger box here. Let's see. Hold on one second. Here it is. My kids love these. These are the Advent Countdown. So Dollar Tree sells these for Valentine's or Easter, and you basically bop it, you watch it inflate, and then it pops out a surprise balloon. And this one has 25 laugh out loud family moments. So I see an elf there. This is super cute. Let me see how much this is. I don't see any price on the box. I'll have to look this up online and see what the retail price is, but super happy with this one. So let's see what else is in our large box. Let me just put this here on the side and see what is next. So next one, it's rectangle, and it is a elf DVD. I see a theme here. This can definitely be a great gift set. We have 2 DVDs included in this one, and DVDs usually at least retail for $16.99 depending on the movie, but this is super cute. I can definitely gift this to my nieces and nephew. They love elves, so I think I'm going to give this to them. Next one is a smaller item, and it's another elf ornament moment. So I see this would make a really great elf themed present. I like that cute little boat. It's a DIY project that you can put together. You can paint. I think the kids will love this. I think I'm going to do this as a gift set for my niece and my nephew. I think they're going to love this. And then you can hang it on your tree right after. Super cute. So now let's look. Let me see. Yeah, so I was trying to look for the price, and the price isn't on that either, so I'll have to just look it up online. The next one here are some ornaments. They look very vintagey. Some of them are broken, and you can see that the paint inside's falling off, but I think that's the style. This one retails for $20. Wow, that's a lot. So I'm still thinking if I should keep it or donate it. I'm not sure. I'm going to use that one, so I'll think about that. The next item here is a smaller item. Let's see. Hold on. It is a little chalky there. This is a DIY ornament for $2. Definitely can do some Mod Podge projects on it, some paint. I think the kids will like this. You can customize it the way you want. I'm going to pull the next one and I feel a metal piece here. So let's have a look and see. Oh my goodness, I think it's a silo. Another tabletop decor. And this one retails for $30. Okay, that is pretty pricey for this metal item, but definitely gonna save it for my daughter Emmy, see if she'll like to play with it. So that's gonna go there. Next item here is a cute little bucket with a Christmas sentiment, and this retails for $12. I love using these as planters. I also use them as utensil holders during the holidays, or napkin holders as well. So we'll definitely use that. The next item, I can smell a like autumn or pumpkin spice scent, and we have these tea light candles, a set of 12. I love the smell. It retails for $6. Going to definitely use that. Next item, let's have a look and see another set of these tea light candles to share with friends and family. Same scent there. It's pumpkin spice. Here's one, and it's apple spice. It's missing some of the tea light candles, but can definitely still use this. And again, these aren't too strong, so I think I can use these at home. This next one is an adorable little snow globe, but it has some slime in it, and I know my daughter Emmy will have a blast playing with this. She loves slime, so I don't see a price on that one. We'll have to check that online and see how much these are. Here is the other little tea light that goes in this apple container. So here's the final piece in that long box. It is a Santa Mail little mailbox. I've been eyeing this when they came out with it first during the holiday season, and this retails for $50. Now the closure here is missing a magnet. I can definitely replace that and fix it. I love that it has this little flag, metal flag here as well. Let me just show you that there. And I love the wrought iron detail there. So I'm excited to use that for this upcoming holiday. Look at this. We have another little tea light set. So our grand total for all these items, excluding the elf items, is $305. So we have a savings of $301. So super deal. I really love this box. There's so many items that I can use for the holiday seasons. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.